Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can enter coordinates in Google Earth step by step. So without any further ado, let's get it started. So actually we are going to go to any location over that place. Let's find out my desired country where I just want to go over here. So let's go and let's try to find it out. So this one is my favorite country, so I will copy an address from that place. So let's find out an local area in here where people lived here. So let's see, let's see, this one is the quite good, so I think let's go to this one. Yes, this one will be perfect one. So I will scroll down and find it out any address. So from that place I will go select this one and then just copy these coordinates. Once you copy for that place, you just need to be pasted here, and here actually you can see we'll get all this thing over that place easily. So this is the easiest way to copy your coordinates and then enter it in here. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.